True story of psychopathic sisters, June and Jennifer Gibson. These twin sisters were born in Wales. They hid a great secret and spoke to each other in a secret language that only they could understand. The twins were inseparable, and there were many strange rumors about them. As teenagers, they even created a whole host of noises and sounds in the form of a new language that only they could understand. That's why the press dubbed them the Silent Twins. The teachers always tried to keep them apart, but they wouldn't talk to anyone but each other, and even remained silent in the presence of the rest of their family. Despite all this, they often quarreled to the point where, at times, they almost killed each other. At one point, Jennifer tried to strangle June with an extension cord, and on another occasion, June pushed Jennifer off a bridge. After both got into consecutive trouble with the law, they were sent to the asylum, where they met a journalist who would later tell their story. But during a visit, they made a pact with her and decided to tell her the whole truth. And here's what that journalist found out about her, and it's going to make your blood run cold. Find out what happened next in part 2 by pressing plus.